In this video, I'll guide you through how to join a Webex meeting through your browser. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to virtual meetings, accessing a Webex meeting without downloading additional software can be a real time saver. Today, I'll show you how to easily connect to your meeting right from your web browser. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is the main portal where you'll access Webex meetings without needing to download the desktop application. It's a great option for those who prefer using fewer applications or are working from a shared computer. Once you're on the Webex homepage, look to the left side of the screen and click on Meetings. This option will direct you to the section where you can view and manage your scheduled meetings. It's a streamlined interface designed to make your navigation smooth and efficient. After clicking on Meetings, you'll see a list of your scheduled events. Find the meeting you want to join and click on Join. This step is crucial as it initiates your entry into the meeting room. Joining from here ensures that you're entering the meeting with the correct credentials and settings. Next, you'll need to enter the meeting information. This typically includes the meeting number or access code and sometimes a password. You should have received these details from the meeting host via an email invitation or calendar invite. Be sure to enter the information carefully to avoid any errors that might delay your connection. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to join your Webex meeting directly through your browser. This method is perfect for those who are on the go or using a device where downloading additional software isn't practical. It's an efficient way to connect to your meetings and stay productive. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy connecting, and I'll see you in the next video.